The ANSO Scholarship is offered by Alliance of National and International Science Organizations, a global network started in 2018, supported by Chinese Academy of Sciences and many other research institutions worldwide. Through ANSO's degree program funding launched 2019, international students from about the world can pursue master's or PhD studies at top Chinese institutions like University of Science and Technology of China or University of Chinese Academy of Sciences institutions affiliated with CAS. What does the scholarship covers? For successful applicants, the ANSO Scholarship offers full tuition waiver, monthly stipend for master students, 3,000 CNY per month for PhD students, 6,000 to 7,000 CNY per month, depending upon qualifications for the duration of their studies. Health insurance application fee waiver, and for those coming from abroad, a one-time travel grant round trip from home country to China plus visa, residence permit and support. Since 2022, there is also a special sub-track that ANSO CAS TWAS UNESCO PhD Scholarship. This gives extra support to doctoral candidates from developing countries, with priority often given to those working on climate-related or development-oriented research. Key eligibility and application notes: applicants must be non-Chinese citizens. For masters, usually born on or 1 January 1996. For PhD, born on or after 1 January 1991. Proficiency in English or Chinese is required. If you already hold a master or PhD in China or are enrolled in any one, you generally cannot reapply under ANSO. You must choose one host institution only.